Welcome to the Redats channel. My name is Hubert and today I'm going to show you how to do the following things in your Redats W-650 wheel balancer: distance calibration, diameter calibration, as well as imbalance sensors calibration. Invite you to view. We begin by calibrating the distance meter. To start it, press the stop and find buttons on the keypad simultaneously. When Cal P0 appears on the display, extend the measuring arm from the machine, set the meter to 0 centimeters flush with the housing of the arm, and press the ALU button. Next, when Cal P15 appears on the display, extend the measuring arm from the machine to the 15 cm position flush with the housing of the arm and press the ALU button. Hold the measuring arm in this position until only zeros appear on the display. Retract the measuring arm into the machine and this calibration is complete. The next is the diameter meter calibration. To perform this, you will need a steel wheel ranging from 13 to 15 inches. A cone adapted to the rim, a nut with a small sleeve attached. Start by mounting the wheel on the wheel balancer. Once the wheel is mounted, we can proceed with the calibration. Start it by simultaneously pressing the stop and opt buttons on the keypad. Cal 14 will appear on the display. At this point, you must use the D+ and D- buttons to enter the diameter of the wheel that you have mounted on the machine. In our case, we have a 14-inch wheel, so we don't change these parameters and press the ALU button. When POS 14 appears on the display, extend the measuring arm from the machine, place the round part of the arm head against the rim edge and press the ALU button. Hold the measuring arm in this position until only zeros appear on the display. Retract the measuring arm into the machine and the diameter calibration is complete. The final step is the calibration of the imbalance sensors. To perform this, in addition to the wheel already mounted, you will need a 100-gram calibration weight and tire pliers. You can find these in the accessory box. Additionally, it's a good idea to prepare various hammer-on weights for steel rims, which will be needed to balance the wheel in a later stage of calibration. Start by removing any old weights from the wheel, then enter its parameters. To do this, extend the measuring arm to the rim edge so the machine automatically reads the distance of the wheel from the machine and its diameter. When you hear a beeping sound, retract the arm into the machine. We still need to enter the wheel's width. Take the caliper and measure the rim from edge to edge. Read the value from the scale. In our case, the caliper showed 6 inches. Press B+ and B- on the keypad to enter this value into the machine. Once all parameters are entered, we can proceed to the preliminary calibration. To do this, simultaneously press the D and C buttons. When Cal appears on the display, close the cover. The wheel has stopped and ADD 100 appears on the display. Open the cover and hammer on the 100-gram calibration weight on the right side of the rim anywhere you like and close the cover. And Cal will appear. At this point, remove the calibration weight and close the cover again to weigh the wheel. The balancer showed us the imbalance value. In this case, we have 25 grams on the left side and 30 grams on the right. Rotate the wheel to the unbalanced spot and hammer on the weight at the 12 o'clock position. Do the same on the other side. After hammering on the weights, close the cover to check the wheel. If we have 0 to 0, we can proceed to the final calibration. Press the D and C buttons on the keypad. Cal is displayed, so close the cover. ADD 100 will appear on the display. Hammer on the 100-gram calibration weight on the right side of the rim, anywhere you like, and close the cover. the machine displays End Cal, which means the calibration is complete. After performing this calibration, you will be sure that the machine is working correctly, and customers will not return with complaints about vibrating wheels. I recommend performing this calibration at least once a year. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new updates.